welcome back to my channel. So they just left and I wanted to show you what they work on today. So let me go inside the house. Okay, so I'm inside the house, so they didn't do a lot of things in here, but they started putting the floors, and these are the floors that got going on today. They didn't do nothing in this bedroom, but this is where the floor starts, and they started putting some floors like this all the way right here. Of course, they're gonna come back tomorrow and do this, but they started putting the floors, and look at the floors, they're so beautiful. And they haven't done that yet here. And the kitchen still looks the same. They haven't done much. And this is the floor right here. They also put floor here, the kitchen. Oh, and this is the sink. So we're gonna have a huge sink. So they started putting the floors here, here, all the way over here, all the way right here. And they did the floor. They basically did the floor here, all of this here, but they haven't done that out. This is gonna be the pantry. So this is gonna go in that place right there. So this is the pantry. They built that. They basically did the whole flooring on this area. And then we go here, we go right here. And then they did the flooring on this room, which is the guest room. They did it right here too. Of course, they need that to be finished. And then in my room, they started putting here, floor in here. They're gonna come and finish this room tomorrow. And yeah, so tomorrow they're gonna finish this room. And the bathroom, they haven't done much in the bathroom either. Still looks the same. Yeah, so they only worked on the floor today. And they did the pantry, which is gonna go right here. And this is the fridge here. So they're still gonna be working on this maybe tomorrow. They're not finished. But yeah, so this is what they have done. They're starting to put the floors. And I think next week the painter's coming. That's what he says. But yeah, it's coming out beautiful, you guys. I cannot wait for the whole house to be finished. And I will show you the complete house, but this is what it looks like. It has more light, and this is coming out real beautiful. And the lights, put the lights back on. Let me turn them on. Look at that. It has so much light. This house is becoming more beautiful and beautiful every single day. So yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to move back in. Yes, this is the house. Cannot wait to move back in the house. I'm super excited. And yeah, the floor is looking amazing. It's a little dirty, but after the whole house has floors, they're gonna clean it. So yeah, so I guess they're gonna start painting next week. And yeah, they're almost done, almost there. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys what the house looks like once everything is perfect. So yeah, so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, or subscribe to my channel, follow me down below. Social medias, also put them in the description box. And stay safe out there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.